This is the code for earlier explanation, and we will have two functions mainly, setup function and loop function, where in setup only once the code will be executed, and whereas in loop, as a normal loop, it will continuously repeated. And in setup we have taken pin mode function, where pin mode is used for digital pins. As we have taken 4 LEDs at 4 different pins, we will write 4 different pin mode functions. And in loop, as we need continuously take the readings of the water, we will write the code for indicating water levels in the loop function. For getting the reading of the water level, we are taking analog read function, and we are storing in a variable, where analog read uh, gives the value at which level the water is there, and at different regions we are indicating with different LEDs. Likewise, if x is less than 300, if the water level is below 300, then we will on the bulb which is connected at second pin. That means it will be indicated using high, and remaining will all be in the off state, and it will be indicated in low state. And if it is exceeded 300 and it is below 500, then we will on the, and it will on the second bulb which is connected in fifth pin, and remaining all will be in off state. And third bulb will on at above 500 and below 700, and remaining first, second and fourth will be in off state, and remaining at all water levels the fourth will be on and first three will be off. That means fourth bulb indicates it is the highest water level above 700. And this is the USB cable which is used to connect our laptop to the Arduino Uno. And not only by using USB cable, we can also use a 9-volt battery which can charge this. And let us see the demo of the experiment I have explained. As I said, below 100 level the first bulb will glow, as we have doesn't pour any water, so it is indicating the first bulb. And if I pour some water, it is changing to second bulb. That means the level is increasing. And if we pour some more water, now again increasing. By increasing the water level, the LED bulb is changing. By pouring at maximum of this cup level, I am indicating it with fourth bulb. That means it is the maximum of this cup level.